Hey guys, this is Dalton Jensen with Revolution Machine Tools, and today I wanted to introduce one of our H-frame presses, our H-FAB H65. There's a few options on this machine that I wanted to go over, but let me touch on a few standard items first. So the first one is our standard V blocks. That comes with our H-frame presses. Another one is to help move our Platen table, which I'll go over in a minute. The chains to move the table, you just hook them up right here, and you can adjust that if you have bigger dies or anything like that. So the first one that I touched on, option, is our Platen table. This is if you have any tooling or anything like that you want to put on here, helps with the press. The next one is part of our auto cycle package, our Prox Switches that help with repeatability and also control the length of the stroke on the machine. That goes in conjunction with our hydraulic ram that helps you can go from side to side with this if you need to do multiple punches on one piece of material or anything like that. We also have our automatic pressure sensor with our manometer over here, so you can check on all your pressure. That brings us to the auto cycle. So with the Prox Switches, you'll be able to do that by switching the machine to manual or automatic, excuse me. Hitting this and being able to go a full stroke. Like I said, the Prox Switches are going to be there for repeatability, and it's going to come right back up, and you're going to be able to keep the same settings for multiple things. Then if we switch it to manual, I'll get into our pressure, automatic pressure sensor. First I'll bring up the adjust that so I can bring up the ram head. And then as I move it over, so you can see as we come down, as I release the pressure, the ram head stops, and then as I pick it up, it'll go down. And as I back off the pressure, you'll notice how the ram hits the wood and stops, but as I turn up the pressure, it'll really go and it'll get this piece of wood pretty good. And part of the automatic is the pedestal that you'll get as well. And that is our H-FAB H65 press. And one other thing I want to mention real quick, the adjustable ram nose. So what you do is we'll unscrew this top right here until it falls out. Then you'll be able to use any tooling that you want to use or interchange it really quick. We'll just pop it up, screw it on, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.